Hi, I'm Chris from Blackthorn, and here's 9 amazing features in under 3 minutes of Blackthorn events for Salesforce. So the most important thing to a company that's going to be managing events out of Salesforce is that you get a central view of the contact. And by this, I mean that you get to see from an individual contact all the events that they've attended. If they've been a speaker, a staff member, if they had any paid checkouts, you can see their stored payment methods in a PCI compliant fashion, their transactions, their campaigns, and much more. The second then is how you can create an event. So in Salesforce, you create an event record. You fill out all the relevant details. You set the payment gateway, you set the overview message, you set the venue, anything that's applicable. And then on the left here, you can see any event items, which are your tickets, any discount codes, any sessions or speakers or sponsors that may be relevant to that event. And then when you're ready, you can click the little auto-generated link where you don't have to write any code, and you can view that event in real time. The next is the ability to then list all events without having to write any code. So when you create all of your event records, this then auto-generates a central landing page for all of your events where you can filter by the date, you get a basic category filter, and then if you scroll below, you can see all of the updated events, as well as then being able to do a real-time search of your events and any data on the page. We then support multi-attendee registration. So with multi-attendee registration, this allows your event attendees to pick out any multitude of tickets, and this then submits the order as a group. So we support group registrations then as well. We also support custom questions. So in Salesforce, when you create your form and your form elements, you can then map your questions answers to any field in Salesforce. So on your checkout, you can then have custom questions related to each ticket type. So for each ticket type, you have different questions that can map to different answers in Salesforce, different fields. We also have advanced contact matching. So besides just matching on a basic email field like a lot of systems do, we extend this concept a lot further. So in Salesforce, there's a standard contact matching and duplicate rule, and it's fully documented here as part of Salesforce's standard rules. Blackthorn check-in app is available on the iOS store as well as the Google Play Store, where this allows your organizers to check in a long line of people at the door with only a few swipes. Our attendee mobile app is coming early next year, where per organization, you can then list all of your upcoming events, you can have your checkouts, and even within the event, you can favorite your different sessions and even chat with different attendees. And last but not least, you have complete native reporting from within Salesforce with a pre-packaged dashboard. So no longer do you have to go somewhere else to get your reports. Everything can be managed out of Salesforce. So get started now. You can install a free trial from our App Exchange listing for Blackthorn events, or you can email us salesplusevents@blackthorn.io. Thanks.